Next heading. हाँ, Indian party system is neither Indian nor Western. Indian party system is neither Indian nor Western. So we know that. Again, we are coming to the evolution of party system. In meantime, we will discuss about regional party system. What happens in Indian party system? We know that what is Indian party system? One dominated party system. One dominated party system. That is a Indian party system said by Maurice Jones. Congress system said by Rajni Kothari. That we have explained. Dekho, but in the meantime, what happened? What is a Western system? Because if we are saying that Indian party system is neither Indian nor Western, Indian party system is considered one party, one dominated party system, Congress system, and therefore there was a dominance of one party. Because it was not a one party system, multiple parties contested election, but winner was only single party in terms of electoral politics. What is a Western system? Whenever we are speaking of the Western party system, so it is either two-party system, like in US, in Canada, Australia. Even there is two political parties, even from past 300 years. That is very interesting. There is a two-party system from past 300 years. Then you can ask, why same kind of stability we are not visualizing Indian party system? Because there is a saying in Indian party system, parties are there, not party system. System means some definite tendencies are there. Two-party system. So two-party system means there may be multi-party contestant, but the two parties are winning the election. Therefore, and two-party system is best for a democracy. One is in power, other in opposition. There is a two-party system. And then you can ask the question, why this same tendency not existing in Indian society? We are talking of US, Australia, Canada, they are industrialized, they are developed. And here India, transitional society. भाई पूरी दुनिया में यूरोप और अमेरिका में क्या है? नाउ दे आर लिविंग अ पोस्ट मॉडर्न सोसाइटी. हमारे यहाँ तो आप देखो एस्पिरेशनल सोसाइटी, ट्रांजिशनल सोसाइटी. कोई बच्चा गांव से एक बार दिल्ली आएगा तो क्या होगा? वापस खाली हाथ जाएगा वो. ह्यूज डिफरेंसेस. तो आप पता नहीं, गांव से कोई दिल्ली आ जाए तो उसको जमीन आसमान का फर्क दिखता है. यूएस वगैरह में ऐसा नहीं है. सिटी का मतलब, यूरोप में सिटी का मतलब जहाँ मल्टीप्लेक्स होगा, गांव का मतलब जहाँ मल्टीप्लेक्सेस नहीं है. तो वहाँ दे वांट टू लिव अ क्वालिटी लाइफ. यहाँ का आदमी नहीं है. रिंकिया के पापा भी इलेक्शन लड़ेंगे. दिस इज अ यूनिक फॉर इंडियन सोसाइटी. कोई आदमी किसी फील्ड में चला जाए उसको कीड़ा काटता है मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बनने का. एस्पिरेशनल सोसाइटी. एंड डोंट यू थिंक दैट व्हाई वी आर इवन समटाइम आई सरप्राइज IITians आर मूविंग फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज. IITians के लिए तो पूरी दुनिया के CEO हैं. स्टार्ट गूगल, फेसबुक, उसमें जाओ, बिलियनर बनो. लेकिन नहीं, उसमें जाएंगे जलवा कहाँ दिखेगा? अरे कमाल की बात है, आप गूगल के भी CEO जाओगे, गांव वाले से बताओगे क्या हो गूगल के CEO. मैं सोचा ऐसे कोई मैनेजर होगा गूगल का CEO, मतलब क्या मतलब है गूगल CEO से? और आप घर जा रहे हो, दो दरोगा जी आपके सामने लेफ्ट राइट करते हैं, कुछ तो है ये. एस्पिरेशनल सोसाइटी. पावर मैटर्स. यहाँ पावर तो यहाँ सब रूल रेगुलेशन से होता है. वेस्ट में क्या है? सोसाइटी वेरी इंडस्ट्रियलाइज, रेगुलेटेड, बेस्ड ऑन रूल ऑफ लॉ. वहाँ पे नथिंग, पैरेवेरी जैसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती, कुछ चलता ही नहीं है वहाँ पे. यहाँ पे तो सब कुछ चलता है. दैट इज पॉइंट. इंडियन सोसाइटी इज वेरी ट्रांजिशनल, वेरी डाइवर्स. इट इज नॉट कंपेरेबल विथ US and Europe. And here in Europe, in most of Scandinavian nation, it is a multi-party system. Multi-party system is technically more democratic. Multi-party system means more parties are contesting election and they're also getting the share in the power. Multi-party system. But let us see what happened in India, particularly after 90s And after 1996, it was a UPA versus NDA. Now UPA is re-energizing itself in India. And here NDA, it's not National Defense Academy, National Democratic Alliance. UPA means United Progressive Alliance, led by Congress and led by NDA. So this party system is unique for India. This was a question of mains this year. This was the question of what examiner asking that, point out the basic trends of India's party system from 90s, 99 to some date is there, from 90s to 99. This was a unique experiment, happened nowhere. इसी बात को एग्जामिनर पहले ही पूछ रखा है कि वाई इंडियन पार्टी सिस्टम इज नीदर इंडियन नॉर वेस्टर्न, इस बार चेंज कर दिया अलग से, उसने फिर पूछ लिया. तो नाउ यू कैन राइट. और होता क्या है, देखो, वन थिंग इज गुड इन प्रेजेंट पेपर, बहुत कम ऐसे क्वेश्चन है जहां आपके पास आइडियोलॉजिकल बायसनेस एक्सप्रेस करने के चांसेस है. ये बात मैं पहले ही बोल रहा था आपको. क्वेश्चन ऐसे आएंगे वेयर एवर, बिकॉज जहां पार्टी सिस्टम आ जाएगा वहां आइडियोलॉजिकल बायसनेस इज देयर, सेकुलरिज्म, पार्टी सिस्टम, तो वहां कुछ बच्चे तो डिसएडवांटेज में चले जाएंगे, कुछ को एडवांटेज हो सकता है. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन को ध्यान करके हटा दिया जा रहा है. मैंने बात बोली थी कि देखना ये टेंडेंसी रहेगी. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन अब बीजेपी राइज ऑफ वन पार्टी सिस्टम, प्रताप भानु मेहता से हिंदुत्व, डेमोक्रेसी इज इन डेंजर, तो प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी फिर लिखने में. ईदर साइड देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. अब कोई प्रो बीजेपी आ गया तो फायदा है, एंटी बीजेपी आ गया फिर तो आपको सारी मेहनत बेकार होगी. तो हम ऐसी चीज पूछे जहां आइडियोलॉजिकल बायसनेस के चांसेस ही कम हो. दिस इज ऑल्सो रीजन हेल्पफुल फॉर मेंटेन ऑब्जेक्टिविटी इन एग्जामिनेशन. अरे बच्चे इतना ऑब्जेक्टिविटी मेंटेन तो हिंदू में पढ़ेंगे, सीधा वो छाप देंगे वहीं पे. नाउ यू कैन राइट. हाँ, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन. अरे सिंपल. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज फर्स्ट अमंग इक्वल्स मीन्स सिंपल. प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज इक्वल. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो मिनिस्टर, because he is also holding a portfolio. He is also minister and he is also heading a secretariat. But why first? Ministers cannot decide that which portfolio they are receiving. Ministers cannot decide that whether they want to live in the particular portfolio or want to change. I will give a very exact example of C.P. Thakur of Bihar. And C.P. Thakur was a doctor by profession. And C.P. Thakur was allocated Ministry of Coal. He became very offended. Oh my God, you are not even recognizing my talent, my profession. गवर्नमेंट ने कल लेना है तो लो, नहीं वो भी नहीं मिलेगा उनका, फिर दे दो. This is the privilege of a PM. Therefore, is the first among equal. He will call the meeting first, allocate the portfolio second, change the portfolio third, and we are wishing long health for the Modi ji. But in case he dies, entire council of minister will disintegrate. That will not happen in case of a death of a minister. Therefore, he is a first among equal. I mean, he is more comparatively, he is just first among equal means he is a captain. The captain क्या वो ही खेलेगा, लेकिन वो डिसाइड करेगा बॉल कौन किस नंबर पे कौन जाएगा. There is privilege of captain. You read up prelims question. हाँ हाँ, बताओ. Yes. Prime Minister is the first among equals. Superior नहीं. आप देखो पीटी में हमेशा वही ऑप्शन आप टिक करोगे which is either constitutional और academically correct. ये पीटी में बहुत ध्यान रखने की बात है कि अगर कुछ जब मैं बता भी दूंगा पीटी का कोई सवाल आप लाना, once we are finishing the polity में बता दूंगा कहाँ गलतियाँ होती हैं. You have to pick either constitutional. If it is not constitutional, which is academically accepted, layman वाली लैंग्वेज को टिक नहीं करोगे आप. नहीं क्या इसमें कौन से मना है यार, मैंने पूछो. नहीं. अरे सिंपल बात है यार. देखो, whenever we are writing, first commonality, conceptual, analytical. ये हमेशा एनालिसिस इज द की फर्स्ट पॉइंट. जितना हम परेशान होते हैं जीएस और पोल साइंस में, डिफरेंसेस उतने होते नहीं, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, क्योंकि दोनों को ही प्रोफेसर चेक कर रहा है. ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट वेन एवर वी आर राइटिंग पॉलिटिकल थियरी, रजनी कोठारी, आशुतोष वार्ष्णे, तो हम थियरीज लिख देते हैं, वहाँ जीएस में नहीं लिखते. अदरवाइज कॉन्सेप्चुअल वहाँ भी है, थ्योरेटिकल वहाँ भी है, सॉरी एनालिटिकल वहाँ भी है, यहाँ थोड़ी थियरीज लिख देते हैं. जैसे कि अदरवाइज टर्म तो वहाँ भी, आइडेंटिटी पॉलिटिक्स, एथनिसिटी, वहाँ भी हम यूज़ करते हैं. बिल्कुल ठीक है, ठीक है. हाँ, PSIR में सिंपल, अगर चाहें तो न भी करोगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर भी आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. एनालिसिस अगर अप्रोप्रिएट है, देन वी कैन बिगिन विद द फैक्ट दैट K.C. Weir said that Indian federal system is a quasi-federalism, and this is the only difference in political science. Otherwise, conceptually, then you can holding together federalism, coming together federalism, holding together, coming together. ये phrase आप पॉल साइंस में यूज कर सकते हो. GS में अगर नाम कोशिश करो, होल्डिंग टुगेदर, कमिंग टुगेदर, ये सब बातें हम जीएस में अवॉइड करते हैं. सिंपल डिवीजन ऑफ पावर, सुप्रीम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, बी कॉन्सेप्चुअल बट सिंप्लीफाइड, इतना ही फर्क होता है जीएस में. तो बहुत हाई तबाह मचाने की जरूरत नहीं है. सर्टेनली सम टाइम यू विल सी दैट क्वेश्चन ऑफ जीएस इज मोर टफ देन पॉलिटिकल साइंस. इस बार का भी अब देख लो, आपको लगेगा फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी पोल साइंस पूछ रहा है. थिंकर नहीं लिखना है. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी में स्टेट वर्सेस इंडिविजुअल, लिबरलिज्म, फैसिज्म, यहां से बात शुरू करो. बिकॉज इन लिबरल फिलोसफी देयर इज राइट नॉट ड्यूटी. ये मैंने बताया कि नहीं आप शायद, को ड्यूटी डिस्कस किया भी था फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी में, यही कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो जितने हम परेशान रहते हैं कि ऑप्शनल ऑप्शनल ऑप्शनल, उसमें और हम गड़बड़ करते हैं. वैसा बहुत हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है. अगर किसी बार आप भूल भी जा रहे हो, MP सिंह को भूल भी जा रहे हो, डजेंट मैटर. इफ यू आर कॉन्सेप्चुअली करेक्ट, analysis is appropriate, believe me, you will never get a bad marks. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है, लेकिन if you are having better analysis, better logic argument, और in the meantime you are mentioning scholars too, so you will get advantage undoubtedly. तो भाई पोल साइंस में क्या है कि MP सिंह ने कहा, तो K.C. Weir ने कहा, तो देन ऑस्टिन सेज दैट इज कोऑपरेटिव. ऑस्टिन की बात हमने कह दिया, इतनी ही बात है. जीएस में हटा दिया, बात तो वही लिखेंगे, एनालिसिस वही है. नाम लिखो ही मत, गलत नहीं लिखना चाहिए. दिस इज मोर डिसएडवांटेजेस. मैं बार बार कहता हूं, नाम लिखना इतना जरूरी नहीं जितने बच्चे परेशान रहते हैं. एनालिसिस, क्लियरिटी, टू द पॉइंट. लिखा है फंक्शनल, उसको आइडिया नहीं आपको फंक्शनल क्या है, सारी कहानी लिख दी, नाम कुछ लिख दो, इन्होंने ये कहा, उन्होंने वो कहा, एक भी नंबर मिलेगा नहीं उस पर. आइडिया बहुत क्लियर है. दैट इज वो बेसिक्स पे जाओ ना. चेंजिंग पार्टी सिस्टम, फंक्शनल. फेडरलिज्म चेंज विद चेंजिंग पार्टी सिस्टम, ये तो है फंक्शनल. मैंने लिखवाया है बगैर आपको. अच्छा, कुछ बच्चे तो बहुत परेशान, जैसे कि मैं आपको बता दूं, टेस्ट सीरीज में किसी बच्चे ने फॉरेन पॉलिसी लिख रहा था. अब वो पता नहीं किसने बता दिया कि रियलिज्म और लिबरलिज्म रखने के चक्कर में सारा क्वेश्चन को इधर उधर कर देता था. तो मैंने स्ट्रिक्टली बोला, भाई रियलिज्म लिबरलिज्म नहीं लिखोगे तो चल जाएगा, लेकिन जो लिख रहे हो उसमें तो क्वालिफाई नहीं हो पाओगे. बोले बेसिक तो आप लिख दो ना, तो कभी मेंस पर रुक जाए, बता देना मुझे. एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में चांसेस हैं. तो बिला वजह थोड़े कि ऑप्शनल के नाम पे बिला वजह टेरर क्रिएट किया जाता है ना, वैसा कुछ है नहीं. नॉर्मली जहाँ पे हो सकता है मैं बता दूंगा. कुछ टॉपिक बड़े कॉमन से, एप्लीकेशन, एनालिसिस, दैट इज द की. तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम की जरूरत नहीं है. क्या लिखा था आपने? हाँ, फर्स्ट यू कैन नोट डाउन फ्यू पॉइंट्स सिस्टम, फ्यू पॉइंट्स हियर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, there is a famous saying. There is a famous saying that there are parties in India, not party system. There are parties in India, not party system. There are parties in India, not party system. Again, we are repeating. While studying comparative politics, तो second paper हम comparative शुरू करेंगे. While comparative politics, we will study electoral politics. There is a relation of the, and this was the question once in mains in comparative politics. There is a relation between the electoral system and party system, social system and party system. Why? Because in case whenever we are having the first past the post system, whenever we are having first past the post system, just like in the current system of India, then there is a likelihood of emergence of a dominated party system. In first post the past system, in the first past the post system simply means whichever party is getting the highest number of vote, not majority vote, they are getting the elected. Therefore, the parties which are getting the coming a second spot doesn't matter. In that condition, there should not be a coalition government. Coalition government come in case of a proportionate method of representation, which is a better known as the list system. But India is unique. India is unique where there is a proliferation of party system despite the fact of use of first past the post system. It means electoral system. Are you getting the relation? This is a Maurice Duverger. Maurice Duverger is name of scholar. Are you getting a relation between first past the post system and party system? Wherever there is a first past the post system, one dominated party system, two party system is likely to arise. In case of a proportionate method of representation list system, there must be multi-party system. But India is unique. We are having in 90s multi-party system. Even as of now you look, because if we are visualizing entire India, then in Rajasthan, MP, Himachal, two-party system is there. In Bihar, UP, multi-party system is there. In Northeastern, if we are classifying the party system on the basis of a state, so you will find out every feature Indian party system. Multi-party too, two-party system too, one dominated too. Why this is happening? Not because of electoral system, because of social diversity. तो हमारे यहाँ देखो गुरुजी हैं, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा. He is even Jharkhand Mukti Morcha is supposed to win at least 3 and 4 Lok Sabha seats. Didi जीत ही लेंगी. नवीन पटनायक वो जीत ही लेंगे. Even earlier there was a RSP and Forward Bloc, दो वेस्ट बंगाल में कम्युनिस्ट पार्टीज थी. There was a very famous story about that. RSP and Forward Bloc only won on the one seat. They never win on the next, but never lost on one. This is a unique party system in India. This happens only in India.
Why can't you say that India is a multi-party system? India has multi-party system because almost every state has multi-party.
This is very flexible. Even after between 90s to 2000, there was some sort of multi-party system. You can say it is a UPA versus NDA. You can describe it as a fragmented party system. You can also say multi-party system. You can also say that it was a rise of regional party system. So you can say that.
While explaining, you said there are some states which have two-party system.
Yes. Two parties in Rajasthan. There is a fight between Congress and BJP. Once Congress come and other BJP. In Maharashtra, there is a multi-party system. Shiv Sena, then NCP, BJP, Congress, multi-party system. Oh my God, have regional parties. But whenever we are saying two-party system means two are dominant. Only two are winning the election and two are getting the majority of electoral politics. That means two-party system. Himachal, MP, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, they are having the two-party system. In Punjab, multi-party. UP, multi-party.
Means how much electoral vote they are getting on that basis we are deciding the system.
Definitely. Now you can note down. मॉरिस डुवर्जर। अब यही बात हम पोल साइंस में लिखते हैं, जीएस में कभी सब चीजें नहीं लिखते इनके नाम। और आप ये बात कंपैरेटिव पॉलिटिक्स की बातों को भी यहां लिख सकते हो कहीं कंपैरिजन में। विन शार्प एप्लीकेशन, क्या लिखा हमने? मॉरिस डुवर्जर said that party system Maurice Duverger said that party system is closely connected with the electoral system. Party system is closely connected with this electoral system, but India witnessed the proliferation of multi-party system in 90s. India witnessed the proliferation of multi-party system in 90s despite the adoption of first past the post system. Despite the adoption of first past the post system. Full stop. It means multi-party system in India. It means multi-party system in India is determined by the social, cultural, religious diversities. Social, cultural, religious diversities. In a short, social cleavages. Social cleavages. Cleavage means it is a diversity, ethnicity. Next point. The party system of 90s. Can be described as decline of national parties. Party system of 90s can be described as decline of national parties or regionalization of national parties, underline. Decline of national parties or regionalization of national parties. We know that whenever we are referring regionalization of national parties, see what do you mean by regionalization of national parties? Therefore, national parties are no longer national. They are in fact located in few pockets of India. That is regionalization of national parties. And that was a truly Communist Party of India is a national party, but now they are only concentrated in the Kerala. That is the point what I have said earlier. If we are looking the status of a national party from political parameter, only BJP and Congress they are most suitably national parties. But if we are taking the yardstick of Election Commission of India, then we can have multiple national parties. This was the regionalization of national parties. This was a new phenomenon, and that happened from 89 to May 2014, and that this was a phase where even no party can get a majority by its own in the parliament. Next point. This is also known as a fragmented party system, fragmented underline. This is also known as a fragmented party system or a coalition government. This is also known as a fragmented party system or a coalition government. And the formation of UPA versus NDA. The formation of UPA versus NDA is a unique in the Indian political context. UPA versus NDA is a unique in the political context because both coalitions were headed by a national party. Because both coalitions were headed by a national party, and the various regional parties have joined the coalition. Various regional parties have joined the coalition, and this is a UPA versus NDA. And now this was a new experiment, and this experiment was initiated by the BJP, because BJP thought that what happened in 96, there was a very interesting change came in Indian party system, because in 96 first time BJP became the single largest party. But there was a problem for BJP. BJP was unable to get the magic number of 272, because even that is interesting. Zoya Hassan says that BJP is not a national party. BJP was only a North Indian party. And she gave an argument. She said that why BJP is more influential in North India, because North India had more impact of communal partition of India. So it was even winning over South was a difficult option for BJP. But now scenario change. You look, now they are winning in Assam too. Even recently they have lost in Karnataka. This is bad for BJP. Karnataka is the gateway of South. Still, and that is the point. BJP is too much experimenting to win at least in Telangana. Otherwise, DMK, AIDM, they have a stronghold in Tamil Nadu. So in that context, see, BJP became the single largest party in 96, but they were unable to get majority. And in 2004, when BJP, because how BJP successfully run the government by 99 to 2004, this was the first coalition government under leadership of NDA, which completed its 5 years tenure. And that Congress learned from that art. Otherwise, initially Congress was very hesitant to form a coalition, because what Congress thought that even Congress was somehow remembering the experience of 1977. In 1977, a broad coalition was made, just like recently. In 1977, the difference is that now it was made against BJP. Earlier, it was made against Congress. So Rajni Kothari rightly said that whosoever be in power in India, every regional forces come and they naturally oppose that party which come in power. And in 1977, all the non-Congress party have joined that coalition. And what happened in 1977, but it could not complete the full 5 year because of their internal problem, leadership of class, ideological challenges. In case coalition government may not be important for India, but the success of coalition government has been very rare in India. Why it has happened? It means now we can change the heading. whether coalition government and stability of the government. Therefore, coalition government is bound to become unsuccessful, unstable. So this is a new party system in India. Although, one thing you can write, there is a difference between UPN versus NDA. NDA because headed by BJP, this is right from the center.